then invented several ways to mark important text in documents. In the Middle Ages, it began a special scribe, a rubricator, used special ink to mark red words on the scripts. These scripts lasted a long time. The red ink was made from lead and urine and marked on animal skin. So we've come a long way. Jump forward 10 centuries. We're looking at one of the first web pages from the CERN website. And you're all familiar with the rubrication used on websites, hyperlinks. So what does semantic mean? Semantic means meaning. Now, we've all heard the saying, it's only semantic. Well, boys and girls, that's all we got. It's kind of silly to say it's only meaning. So is this real? Is semantic real? This is a page of Google. It's marked with rich snippets extracted with semantic technologies for recipes. This is Best Buy using an ontology called Good Relations. Best Buy claims that they have increased their sales 20% by using semantic markup. It also exists on some news sites. Maybe you don't even know it. New York Times uses a mashup service to mark up individual words on the mainstream articles. Being a little generous to call it semantic. In the back room, there's a bunch of semantic workers slaving away. We are using a vast set of open source tools. This is way too complicated for anybody to do it alone. We want to put on the semantic websites a wide variety of semantic media. Text, maps, video, graphics, sound, and lots of other things. There's existing metadata on many websites, often erroneous and incomplete. Some of you may know that. But we aim to do better. We have a very complex machine to take care of, to mark up and accumulate information for the semantic web. This is the kind of thing that can't be done alone. No person, no organization can do this. We can only do it with open source tools. Here's a list of some of them. Lucene, OWL, RDFA standards, Dublin Core, Protege tools, MIT Simile, which does a vast array of stuff, Natural Language Toolkit. We put all these tools to work. Push a text through a natural language processor, index it with various open source tools, compare it with the entries in an ontologically oriented triple store. So here's an ontology. We try to represent all of human experience in an ontology. We're not there yet. Check back soon. This is a minor one. This is an ontology used to annotate all of the weather stations in the world reporting meteorological data. Here's a list of ontologies. When we deal with ontologies, we get to use wonderful words like endurant and perdurant, and we get all kinds of wonderful acronyms like suggested merged upper ontology, SUMO. This is an example of some markup. I'm not going to tell you what it does. What can we do now? This is an example of what the software I'm working on does. The text of Alice in Wonderland was marked up. You can see the words rubricated in various colors, and the semantic information is presented. Here's a piece of text from Bereshit, the Old Testament. This is in Hebrew, right to left, with all the critical, the important diacritical marks. Semantic web. This is a map of the internet. Semantic web will bring to the World Wide Web more than you've ever experienced from the web so far.